If you still can't figure out how to make consistent money in trading, or you're just trying to reach that next level, then this video is for you. What's happening, guys? In today's video, we'll talk about 3 stock trading tips you need to consider and be a profitable trader. Make sure to watch until the end, as I'll be sharing a bonus tip which is very underrated but a totally important part of a trader's success. And without further ado, tip number 1, find a mentor. Finding a mentor in every endeavor, especially when starting out, is critical to your success. Personally, I thought I could make it right from the get-go without any help. This couldn't be farther from the truth. Looking back at it now, it was like playing against the likes of Michael Jordan or LeBron James of trading, while I had just finished a couple of YouTube videos a while ago. Mentors can be anyone. In today's age, there are a lot of ways in finding a mentor, and it can be from social media, like reading trade ideas in Twitter, watching YouTube videos, and many others. But be cautious. Make sure you're learning the right contents by doing due diligence, especially if you're paying for it. What you want from your mentor is guidance. You want to shorten the learning curve through someone who was in the same spot as you are now, but has made it. The right mentor will teach you the correct process and will not try to sell the idea of getting rich quick. Just like mastering any skill, it takes time. It's hard to break processes ingrained in a person through daily repetition, so you make sure you are practicing, and not just any process, but a good process. Tip number 2, risk management. I believe there are 2 parts of risk management: stop losses and position sizing. Always put a stop loss. When starting out, it may take a while to know at what scenario your trade thesis is invalid. It can be from changing market conditions, diversion in your expected pattern, or some random news event. But nevertheless, you should place a stop right after entering a trade. The only 2 things you can control in trading are entering and exiting a trade. 99 times out of 100 of not respecting your stop, then the trade goes your way, you'll feel like a genius. Then that 1 time out of the 100 comes along. It only takes 1 trade to wipe out your account or leave a big hole in it. And it's not the worst part, it's your psychology and confidence that will feel the most devastating impact. Manage position size. Trading is counterintuitive. We go into it thinking we can be rich overnight. But let me tell you that the more you forget about the money, the more you improve in trading. You trade to learn, not to earn. At least when you are just starting out. Managing your position size goes hand in hand with your stop loss level. Make sure you accept the amount of money you'll lose if the trade doesn't go your way. One useful gauge is risking about 1% of your total account per trade. Tip number 3, data tracking. If there's one word to describe trading, it's probability. Trading is all about the numbers. Sometimes we tend to focus on one trade that we forget about the system, the entirety of it all. It's just 1 trade out of 100 or 1,000. You live and die by your trading system. One method of evaluating your trading system is through data tracking. This provides a bigger and clearer picture of your system or of a system you want to learn. By tracking data, you can critique and improve the details you would not have known had you just been spontaneously placing your trades. Start tracking data now. It may take you a lot of iterations to finalize how you track your data, but it's worth it. I'll post a link about my other video showing how tracking data helped me polish one of my setups with a 90% win rate. You can see it at the upper right hand corner of this video, and I'll also put a link down in the description below. Bonus tip: find a community. Finding a trading community, a trading buddy, or a small group does not get the credit it deserves. Trading is a lonely endeavor, and sometimes you get sucked up in a vacuum. You forget to check yourself. Having people around you who you can relate in trading is personally one of the best things that's happened in my young trading career. They don't just check on you or alert you if some stocks are moving or bounce ideas off of, but they, just as equally important, also give you that sense of psychological reset and perspective. Try reaching out to other traders now, or just expose yourself out there, and maybe someone will reach out to you. To recap, find yourself a mentor, managing risk by using stop losses and correct position sizing, start tracking your data, and finally, find a community. If you see value in this video and want me to post more in the future, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified. Leave other tips you think are important in the comment section down below. With that being said, respect risk and continue to hustle, trade, and invest.